Hi everyone, I'm Athena Vina Oporto Buxton and welcome to Robert's Vlog.
Hey
Hey
guys!
guys!
So that lovely intro was performed by none other than my very lovely wife, Miss Athena Vina Oporto Buxton. So just a quick backstory. For our wedding, she got me the loveliest gift. It was a watch that I've been wanting for a very long time.
Actually, Robert has a script and I'm just winging this.
Di man ko tinood?
Okay, I'm just winging it. Anyway, so um uh Robert was talking about the watch even before we got engaged. So he was telling me about this watch that it's one of those watches that he mentioned was hard to get and luckily I was able to find a brand new unit of that watch and I was so happy because it was the perfect gift for him for our wedding. Maybe Robert can show you a clip of when he got that gift, a short clip or a picture of his reaction when he got that gift. He had zero idea that I was able to procure that watch and brand new.
And when I finally did see the watch, I was so excited. I thought to myself, man, I just have to do a photo shoot to commemorate such a memorable gift. So for this segment of the video, I just wanted to quickly break down the shot. For this shot, my goal was to take a rather simple looking watch and make it stand out, but not doing it too much that it takes away attention from the subject. So in making the shot, there were three important aspects: the color, the texture, and the illumination. So for the color aspect, since the watch is basically only blue and silver in color, so so the environment had to be quite neutral for it to pop. So I used an environment color of gray, white, and black. Second, the texture. So to add a bit more interest to the photo, I used a piece of driftwood that I also colored in black so that it would maintain the general color scheme of the environment I was going for.
That you bought from a
Oh, I bought it from a pet shop. Yeah. And lastly, the illumination. So I shot the watch with a studio strobe and I shot it through a homemade scrim. And since I shot it through a scrim, it gave me this really nice, soft, but detail retaining light that you can't really get with just a softbox. And I also added a strobe for the background so that it would give a nice gradient illumination to bring more focus to the watch.
So I actually saw the photos ahead of time and all I could say was it's something that you could see in a magazine or in an advertisement, like international, what do you call that? Marketing or something. Like it was so nice that
Thank you, sweetheart.
that
You're not just saying that because you love me, right?
no.
Okay.
I really like the pictures. Like I would tell him like, okay, I don't like this picture. But that one I really said, nah, this is a really nice photo.
Thank you.
Diba?
So if you made it this far into the video, we really appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching.
Thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my husband's YouTube channel and like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye!
See you in the next one. And then I'll show you again. These are the final. You're looking
Oh,
bored.
okay. I'm not looking bored.
You're like,
Okay, next. Okay,
but
don't
you said
include
subscribe twice, honey. It sounds
that. It's
cute.
okay! It's okay, right,
okay.
guys?
All
It's
right.
okay. Don't forget to subscribe and like, comment, share, and subscribe.